Hi, welcome to today's mini movement break. Come on over to your chair, standing up, facing the chair, standing tall. Inhale, sweep your arms out and up. Exhale, hinge from your hips and bring your hands to the seat of the chair. As you inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest, and exhale, round your spine. So you're just moving through cat and cow here, noticing how your back feels. Exhale to round. Inhale, tilt your pelvis, drop your belly, lift your chest. Exhale to curl. And then now come through the center and go side to side. So it's kind of like you're wagging your tail. You're bringing one hip closer to that same shoulder, using your obliques a little bit. And then you can try putting it into a circle. So you start to circle your spine around. Kind of a combination of cat and cow and the side bending. And then maybe reverse directions. And this can be a little confusing, so just have fun with it. And then when you're ready, now we're going to step our feet back, coming into a chair down dog, sending your hips up and back, your chest toward the floor. Come forward into a core plank. We're going to bring one knee in toward our chest and the other knee, nice and slow and controlled. If this feels like too much, just stay in your regular plank position here. Keep breathing and then take it back into that downward facing dog. And we're going to start to do a little twist. You're going to reach your left arm to the outside of your leg and then switch and reach. And keep going like that, reaching out and back to center. Reach and center, reach to the opposite leg and hold in your plank again, shifting forward. And then once more, go ahead and start to bring alternating knees in or just hold that solid plank, noticing how that feels. And then heading back into your downward facing dog, taking a breath, maybe walking your dog, pedaling through your legs, getting that stretch. And then let's slowly walk our feet in. You can bring your hands to your hips and keep the long spine as you stand up tall. Very good. Now we're going to move into some shoulder rotations. So reach your right arm forward and up and then rotate it back behind you and then go back, rotate out, up and around. So what you're trying to do here is make sure you're moving your shoulder, but not moving the rest of your spine, keeping the ribs down as you do that. And then go the other way. And if you feel any kind of sharp pain feelings, then definitely widen that arm out to the side. So you can keep doing the movement, just make it a smaller circle. Rotate up, forward, and down. Nice. Now let's bring both arms by our side, lift the shoulders up, squeeze back, down, and forward. Just really big circles, reverse. Good. And then from here, shake it out a little bit. And now we're going to step our foot that's closest to the chair, step it up on the chair, turning your foot out, and then side bend over. Reach up, grab the wrist, and stretch over to your side. So exhale, it'll be your elbow coming to your thigh, top arm reaching, and then come up and reach. Grab the other wrist and stretch over. Keep going here. Feel free to hold and stay in any of the positions as long as it feels good. And then we're going to try to find our balance, hugging that standing hip in. You might just get lighter on the chair, or your leg and your foot may be able to lift off. Up and down, up, and then bring it forward and in. And then just simply move your chair to the other side and let's switch. So bring the leg that's closest to the chair up, turn your foot out, inhale, and exhale. Your elbow goes to your thigh as your top arm sweeps over and into that side bend. Moving with your breath right here, nice and easy, dynamic movement of getting that stretch through your side, and also maybe a little inner thigh stretch. Again, you can hold any of the positions. And then we're going to do those leg lifts. Lift your foot up, trying to stay nice and tall so nothing is moving too much. Good. And then go ahead and bring that in and give your legs a little shake. And now let's go ahead and turn our chair so that we're holding onto the chair. We're going to do a top of the foot stretch. Bring your top of your foot to the floor, stretching through the whole front of the foot. Maybe you bring your arms out to the side for balance, or just keep holding the chair and then switch. Stretching out the top of the foot. Good. Take another breath. And then go ahead and release. Great job. See you next time.